Start with a magic circle and chain 2. The chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets into the circle. Once you're done, pull up the slip to close the gap and make a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Next on, now we'll start with a stacked single crochet. Make one single crochet in the first stitch and this is the first leg and this is the second leg. Insert a hook into the second leg of the single crochet and pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook and yarn over and pull through both the loops. That's when stacked single crochet made. This will be counted as one double crochet. With this method, you'll have a neat and seamless finish. For this whole pattern, we'll be starting each round with a stacked single crochet. Now make 2 double crochets into each and every stitch. 1 double crochet is already made. 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 2 stitches made. Continue with 2 double crochets into each stitch and take this yarn along with the working yarn. Continue with 2 double crochets into each stitch. Once you reach them, make a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. This is the first stitch. At the end of this round, you should have 24 stitches. Next round, start with a stacked single crochet. 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Insert a hook into the leg of the stitch and pull up a loop. 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull to both the loops. That's one stacked single crochet made and this will be counted as a double crochet. And in the next stitch, we'll make an increase. That's 2 double crochets. One double crochet into the next stitch and an increase in the next stitch. That's 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. And at the end of this round, you should have 36 stitches. Next round, start with a stacked single crochet, 1 single crochet, insert your hook into the leg of the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2. That's 1 stacked single crochet made and will be counted as 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet into the next stitch and in the next stitch we'll make an increase. That's 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Repeat this until the end. 1 double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. And an increase in the next stitch. That's 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 1 double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. And an increase in the next stitch. Now continue with the stitches. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. And at the end of this round, you should have 48 stitches. Next round, chain 1. This won't be counted as a stitch. 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, and into the next stitch we'll make a shell stitch. That's 5 double crochets into the same stitch. That's one shell stitch made. Skip the next 2 stitches, and into the next stitch make 1 single crochet. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Skip 2, and into the next stitch we'll make a shell stitch. That's 5 double crochets into the same stitch. Skip 2, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Skip 2 and 1 shell stitch into the next stitch. That's 5 double crochets. Skip 2, 1 single crochet. Continue with the stitches. Skip 2. Make the last set of stitches. Skip 2 and finally make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. Next round, start with chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. Now in the same stitch we'll make a shell stitch. That's 5 double crochets into the same stitch. That's a shell stitch made. Next we'll make a single crochet in the middle stitch of the shell stitch. 1, 2, 3. This is the middle stitch. Make 1 single crochet over here. Skip all the stitches. Next we'll be working into this single crochet. Make a shell stitch over here. That's 5 double crochets into the same stitch. That's a shell made. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. 1 single crochet in the middle stitch of the shell. That's a third stitch. 1, 2 and 3. This one. 1 shell stitch into the next single crochet. This one. That's 5 double crochets. One single crochet into the middle stitch. 1 shell into the next single crochet. Make the last single crochet. And finally make a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet of the shell stitch. Next round, now we need to go into the middle stitch of the shell stitch. So in the next stitch, make a slip stitch. Make 1 more slip stitch into the next stitch, that is the middle stitch. Chain 1, again this won't be counted as a stitch. 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Now we'll be working into this next single crochet. 1 shell stitch into this single crochet. That's 5 double crochets. 1 single crochet into the middle stitch of the shell, that's the third stitch. 1 shell into the next single crochet, that's 5 double crochets. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. 1 single crochet into middle stitch, 1 shell into the single crochet, make the last set of stitches, and finally make a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. Now just keep repeating the last 2 rounds until it's around 5 to 6 inches in size. Start with chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. We'll make a shell stitch into the same stitch. One single crochet into the middle of the shell stitch. One shell into the next single crochet. Now once you reach this size, make the last slip stitch and weave off your yarn. This is how it will look. Now you can use it as it is, or you can add any applique of your choice. I have this applique flowers. I'll give the pattern link in the description box below. You can use a yarn needle to sew it over here. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.